Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure monday.com for software development project tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to monday.com. Log into your account with your credentials. Click on the New Board button. Name your board related to your software development project. Select a template or start from scratch, depending on your preference. If you choose a template, search for software development options. Once you select a template, click on Use Template. Customize the columns based on your project needs. Add a status column to track task progress. Include a text column for task descriptions. Create a date column for deadlines. Add a people column to assign team members. In the first row, create the initial task for your project. Populate details in each relevant column for that task. Click on the plus Add Item button to include more tasks. Continue adding tasks until your entire project scope is covered. Use the Sub-Items feature to break down complex tasks. In the Status column, set initial statuses for each task. Utilize the Timeline view to visualize your project schedule. Switch to the Kanban view to manage tasks in progress. Customize the views according to your team's workflow preferences. Go to the Automation section and set up notifications for task updates. Create automations for repetitive actions to streamline processes. Browse the Integrations section to connect with tools your team uses. Integrate with platforms like Slack or GitHub for better collaboration. This will enhance communication and updates for your development team. Engage your team and the board to gather feedback and adjust workflows. Encourage team members to update statuses regularly. Monitor the project's progress using the dashboard feature. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.